Impeachment trial opens. Prosecution presents digital evidence against Vice President Duterte. Pasay City, Philippines. The impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman. Duterte officially commenced on July 7, 2026, with the Senate acting as an impeachment court to hear charges of grave threats and acts of sedition. Threshold ruling on conviction. The proceedings began with a crucial procedural clarification from the presiding officer, Senate President Francis Escudero. Addressing a threshold issue regarding the voting requirement for conviction, Escudero maintained that under the Constitution, a conviction requires the affirmative vote of at least 16 out of the 24 members of the Senate. Prosecution opens with digital forensics expert. The prosecution team immediately called their first witness, NBI Senior Agent John Mark Santa Khalilong. Khalilong, an expert in digital forensic examination, provided testimony regarding his methodology for the identification, preservation, collection, and authentication of digital evidence. Specifically, he detailed the protocols used to verify the integrity of video recordings obtained from online press conferences that form the basis of the prosecution's case. Evidence of alleged threats. During the hearing, the prosecution introduced a series of digital evidence intended to substantiate the allegations of threats and sedition against the vice president. These exhibits included video recordings of press conferences conducted by the vice president on October 18, 2024 and November 23, 2024. Official statements and screenshots released by various government bodies, including the President, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, the Philippine National Police, PNP, and the National Security Council, NSC, which were issued in direct response to the Vice President's statements. Select video segments in which the Vice President allegedly made threats directed toward the President, the First Lady, and the former House Speaker. Defense challenges admissibility. Throughout the session, counsel for the respondent mounted vigorous objections against the prosecution's evidence. The defense team frequently contested the admissibility of the documents, arguing that the prosecution was relying on photocopies rather than original or certified true copies, while also challenging the legal foundation of the prosecution's line of questioning. Following the day's testimonies, the impeachment court adjourned. The trial is scheduled to resume on July 8, 2026, at 2:00 p.m., at which time Agent Khalilong will undergo cross-examination by the defense.